everyone, how's it going? Today we're going to be making a custom bumper for the Range Rover Classic. We're going to install the winch, make a custom bumper around it. Let's get the Range Rover on the lift and start installing the actual winch. Let's get going. So yeah, I think this is gonna take our off-roading to the next level here, because we won't be too afraid to get stuck. And now we kind of stuck. Awesome. There you go. This fair lead thing is so huge though. I don't know. It's too bad it's so big. Anyways, cool. So let's get thinking about how we're gonna make this bumper now. Alright, so after much thought, I'm gonna cut two 11-inch pieces of L and bolt them to the frame so that they come out, and it's gonna make like a little support bed. And then I'm gonna weld like cross pieces across those two, and then the winch is gonna sit on that. Kind of trying to figure something out with the steel that we have, but it kind of makes it more complicated too. So we're gonna start with that and then see where it puts us. Okay, so this is okay, so I think this is what it's gonna be like. I put a big L across the front, and then that way I'll be able to mount this big fair lead in the front here. This thing is so huge, I can't believe why they make it so big. Anyways, but yeah, so I'm gonna weld that in place, this front bar I mean, and then I'm gonna chop these flush, chop the middle out here, and yeah, that should get us a bit closer to where we want to go there. And as you can see here, I chopped too much. The other one is nice and flush and there's the right angle, but I've got the plastic there, so we're gonna epoxy it back, I think. Okay, so we're gonna be going with a different technique now. Yesterday I made like a whole agricultural winch holder, and it was kind of too big. I was not really liking where it was going, and you know, when you kind of build something and you're so like kind of in the flow and thinking of like how to build it, and not rather is it gonna work, or is it gonna be, you know, is it still fitting all the criteria that you're looking for? So and indeed it was too low, too big, too long. So I'm restarting now. Good thing I only tack stuff together. That's super important to never weld stuff fully before finishing, because I've done that before and it's a pain. I made a sled for the winch with a big C channel. So I'm gonna show you guys that. So this is the C channel we have. So the fair lead is basically bolted to the winch, and all that is on this. You gotta see it back here. It's on a big channel, so everything is bolted down and it's nice and you know, compact. Looking at the ARB winch bumper, the fair lead normally comes up flush with this line here, so that's getting pretty close, and yeah, the whole thing is flush with the top of the bumper, which is really nice, and this is pretty much where I want it. Alright, so this is the latest update on the bumper ideas. I think it's gonna look something like that. Right now it's not really held up properly. It's gonna be a steeper angle down here.
There.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just go fast.
Have to go backwards more?
Or what?
You might want to watch your dash.
Okay, go. That finger?
One.
When I had my thumb right on the actual weld.
Yeah, wow.
That's good.
Alright, so what are we gonna do on this corner here? I really want to, ooh, that's pretty tight actually. Oh no, okay. That's gonna be up there. Hey, it's pencil. So I gotta somehow cap this. And also I want a curve back here. So I think, I don't know. Ooh, I don't know if I'll be able to bend that. Already liking this table here. It's really nice. Okay, so now we're ready to take this back off and kind of bondo the corners to make them nice and, I don't know, less sharp, and then paint it with bed liner. So we're gonna take the bumper back off. As you can see, there's the cutout here for the fair lead, so everything there is good. It's ready to be bolted in basically, so there's really not much left to do besides the finishing touches, and also grind off a bit of the corners back there to make them fit better with the body. So here we go. We're pretty much done grinding now. I'm just gonna degrease this thing properly so that we can then start putting some Bondo on there. So here we go. Oh yeah, methyl hydrate sure burns the fingers. Those open cuts. This is obviously not the ideal rag. It's doesn't really absorb much. Oh, that's right. Doesn't really matter. Alright, so we're good. Hard.
Huh?
Oh, your frame mount is so much better.
Yeah, F-150.
Oh, you stole it off the F-150, eh? What are you trying to achieve? But, oh, nice.
Hey, it's pretty good, eh?
That's a good little table.
Perfect for putting your coffee on.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm liking it more and more now. I wasn't sure at first, but that would really catch it.
Yeah.
Chicken going in. Alright, so we're gonna end that video there. We've got some really cool stuff coming up. We went off-roading with the 2 Range Rovers, so you guys are gonna be seeing some content of that in the next video. And yeah, got some use out of that winch. Not as much as I'd like. I didn't get stuck bad enough yet, but I'm sure that'll be coming soon. So see you guys in the next video, and take care.